Been seeing these on your eggplants and tomatoes? It's possible. So they're small, white. As you can see, some of them may be moving or not, but when we turn this over, look at that. Look at that. So, and this is what happens there and on the tomatoes. So, the easiest way to get rid of them permanently is to spray. And most bugs are going to be hiding on the underside of your leaves. So if you notice some on the top, you better turn it over because you're going to see way more under there. They suck the life, the green, out of your plants. And if a plant doesn't have leaves, it cannot produce flowers. By the way, this is just dish soap and water. God bless.